We all are aware that the desire of every human being is to earn maximum wealth and be prosperous. But many times, even after working very hard, there is lack of money in our life. And due to this, we become very depressed. But do you know, the lack of money is also related to our living and daily activities that we perform. If not, then stay with us till the end of this video, because through this video, today, we are going to tell you the habits due to which there is a possibility that Goddess Lakshmi does not enter our house. Hello and welcome to the Divine Tales English. The first and foremost is cleanliness. According to the scriptures, Goddess Lakshmi never resides in the house where there is shabbiness and there is no cleanliness. Many people do not clean their house every day. Uncooked utensils also should never be left after eating food on the table itself, and they should be washed immediately. This creates an atmosphere of unrest in the house. The dirt, the shabbiness in the kitchen invites poverty. In such a situation, the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi is never received upon the people who reside in such house. So if you have an habit of keeping dirty utensils on the cooking gas or stove inside your house, then it should be changed immediately. Many times, people leave teapots, empty vegetable pots on the stove itself. Also, many people have an habit of keeping stale food in the kitchen itself for days. Goddess Lakshmi does not ever enter such house, it is believed, because the kitchen is considered to be the most sacred part after the temple of the house. So if you want that there should be happiness and prosperity in your house, then do not ignore the cleanliness of your house. Another very important thing related to this, which most people ignore, is that one should never sweep the house after sunset. But at times, there is a necessity to do this. So when such a necessity arises, then do not throw the garbage or soil outside the house, but in the dustbin or any place inside the house after sunset. Because according to Vastu Shastra, if you sweep the house after sunset, Goddess Lakshmi also does not reside in that house and goes away, and then there is poverty in the house. Second is arguments. In houses where there is often an atmosphere of discord, fights, arguments, then in such houses, negative energy enters very quickly and the effect of poverty increases. Because when a person will spend all his energy in discord and arguments, then he or she would not be able to concentrate on earning money, as his or her mind would be at unrest. Therefore, an atmosphere of peace and love should be maintained in the house. And if there is any displeasure among the relatives, then one should resolve it as soon as possible with a calm mind. Insult of women. In our religion, daughter-in-laws are considered a form of Goddess Lakshmi. Goddess Lakshmi can never stay in the house where women are insulted, whether it's daughter-in-laws, daughter, wives, or mothers. According to astrology, Venus and Moon give inauspicious results in houses where women are disrespected. Therefore, full care should be taken that the respect of the woman is not put at stake in house. Otherwise, Goddess Lakshmi gets angry. When all the women of the house will get full respect, then Goddess Lakshmi will happily come in your life, and there would be happiness and prosperity in your house. Last is laziness. Our Sanatan Dharam is karma oriented. Here the importance of karma has been told. Money can never come to the house of lazy people. Time is very valuable, as we all know, so it should be put to good use. Many people have a habit of sleeping in the afternoon, and this too increases the chance of poverty. Waking up before sunrise, doing daily chores after worshipping can help one be prosperous in life. So, if you also want the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi, then please take care of the things that are mentioned above. If you know more related to this topic, then do let us know in the comment section below. If you liked our today's video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and families. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, The Divine Tales English, and click on the notification button for more such videos. Do visit our Facebook page for everyday posts and stories. We will soon be back with another video. Until then, take care and be happy.